I'm gonna get you. 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 Where are you? Oh, you thought that was open, huh? You thought that was open? Oh, what are you gonna do now? Mama's gonna get you. Mama's gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Ah. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Oh, you think you're gonna go outside? You're so wrong. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Oh, I'm gonna get you. Get her. Sonny's gonna get you. Sonny's gonna get you. Oh. Oh. Yeah. You want to run outside here? You gonna run outside? I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Ha! You think you're so slick? You're not. Oh. Who's that little girl in a diaper out on the porch? Wow, look at you climb. What a big girl. Look at you. You're a big girl. I'm still gonna get you. I'm still gonna get you. Oh, I'm gonna get you. What are you doing? You can't figure out where to go. Wow, you're gonna show us how you can go down the slide? Can you show Mommy how you can go down the slide? Wow, that was not very good. Say hi. Hi. That's a good girl. What are you doing? What are you doing? Are we going to get some clothes on you, or are you going to keep running from me? What are you doing? Amelia? Amelia? What are you doing? Another beautiful day. It's kind of overcast. Can you say bye-bye? No, bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.